Hello, welcome back to another lesson with 11 plus Maths Kids. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, today we will be doing converting fractions to decimals. Now, many people struggle when doing this, so today we will be doing a lesson about it. We will be doing question 1 to 16. And don't look at the answers. And let's do this, shall we? The first question. Convert the following fractions to decimals. 1, 6, 11 equals, well, all we need to do is this 6 divided by 11. Remember, it's not 11 divided by 6. No, yeah, it's 11 divided by 6, everyone. 11 divided by 6. Many people do this. When it's not. It's meant to be 11 on the outside and 6 in the inside. So that is all wrong. Goodbye. Now, if we do this, 11 in the outside, 6 in the inside, you obviously get a 0 point. That makes it a decimal. Then you can start working it out. And I am working it out right now. Okay, yeah, this is going to be quite impossible. Okay, so far I've stopped at 0.545. Now, if it tells you to do up to 3 decimals in the answer, yes, you can do that. But I want to shorten it to just 2 decimal points. I mean that 4. So we'll look at the last column, the hundredths column, and that is 5. So that's bigger. What 5 and bigger turns it big and make it the 4 bigger, so meaning this will be instead of 0.54, it'll be 0.5. Okay, 5. Now, if you want to turn this to percentage, this is not a part of our topic, but let's just continue. This will give us 55%. Okay, number 2, 9/13. Remember, 13 at the outside, 9 in the inside. The numerator always goes inside when you're doing this. When you work it out, you get you should get a total of 0.64 before you stop. That's what we want you to do. Now, 0.614. Now, obviously, I said that I'm going for 2 decimal points today. 4 is smaller than 5, meaning that this stays the same. And this gives me 6. No, 0. Remember to make sure you've got your 0 point in front. Don't just write it straight away. 0.61. It won't be 6.2 because 4 is smaller than 5. Make sure you've got your 0 point and don't write 61. Now 3. 10 over 15. 15 on the outside, 10 in the inside. Now, if you work it out, you should get a decent 0.66666 recurring. Now this will be 0.6 is actually bigger than 5, meaning that the 6 before turns into a 7, and that will be there we go, 0.67. Make sure your points are clear. I can't do this right now. Make sure it's too clear because I am on a digital. But yeah, make sure your points are clear if you're writing it pen and paper or pencil and paper. I don't know the saying. Now, next one, 13 divided by 17. Or 17 divided by, 17 divided by 13. 17 outside, 13 inside, not points. Remember that. And you should get... You should get a total of... I've got 0.7 so far. I'm working my way through. And then that's an 85. Let's see if we get any closer to that. Okay, the closest I can get to, so I get a 0.75, and I don't need to go any further because I'm just doing 2 decimal points. It's your decision. Maybe 1 decimal point, that will be 0.76, 0.8, or maybe you're doing tons of decimal points, maybe 8. But obviously, I wouldn't go that direct because some of them don't have 8 decimal points unless you count 0.0000000 recurring. Now, next one. Right, 3/8. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to do 8 just to tell you, if you do not use bus stop division, don't care anything what I'm saying about 8 in the outside, 3 in the inside, just do what you do. But if you are using the bus stop, then make sure you draw your bus stop, then put the 8 on the outside, 3 in the inside. And you'll get a decent 0.375. Now that's exact. I know that I said I was doing 2 decimal points, but 0.375, it can't get any bigger unless you put 0.00000 recurring. So I'm actually want to go to the most direct I can get for this one. There's some of them can carry on, like I think it was this one, the number 2, 9/13. It was no, it wasn't that one. I don't remember. One of them was 0. Blah 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 recurring.
Number 3.
Number 3. Oh yeah, 0.66666666. I won't go as exact as that because you'll be dead and you still wouldn't have been finished. So let's continue. 12/21. Remember, don't care about what I'm saying if you're not using bus stop. 21 in the outside, 12 in the inside. Making this a total of a total of 0.56, and that's already I can stop there because I only want 2 decimal points. It's just number 5 I didn't do that, so then that gives me a total of 0. Just realized that number 4, the 0 has disappeared, so I'll just write that back in. That is 0.56. Now I'm going to scroll down a bit. Okay, not to show the answers, but to show here. Now next one's 2/7. 2 on the inside, 7 on the outside. I don't care about what I'm saying. You're not doing it. I don't want to repeat myself. So that's the last time I'm going to say that. You will get 0.28. You may get a bigger, maybe the answers say bigger, but I'm staying for 2 decimal places. Now, I want to show you something. This shows me 0.286 in the answers. And let me just do something. Okay, I can't do that. Anyway, this means that the actual total is 0.29, not 0.28. So this will be wrong. Just to tell you. If you're gonna work it out like that, I'm quite sure none of them are wrong yet. But just for telling, this will be wrong. And this will be actually 0.29, which I can do here. And if you spot any more that is wrong, please write down in the comments. Unless for some reason the comments are disallowed. Don't know. Maybe so. I'm not a master of YouTube. So that's number 7. I think instead of going to 16, I shall finish on 8, because if I was you, I would have understood by now, and I wouldn't want a crazy kid to keep going through tons of questions with me, and when I already know this and I want this video to be over, but I'm not allowed to turn this video off. So to everyone thinking that, the video is going to be over by now. So 25 hours. The outside, 16 in the inside, and working out. This is exactly 0.64. So that is our lesson finish. Goodbye 11 plus kids, and please subscribe to the channel. I've heard one of my friends say that if you subscribe, you'll be called a subscriber. So subscribe and be a subscriber. Get a new title. Call yourself subscriber. Blah blah blah. Okay, good.